shoulder their responsibilities with dedication and integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the newly elected Student Council through the ceremonial march past. Now, we witness a prestigious moment where the school flag is being handed over by our chief guest to the head girl and head boy.
Example. Deputy head girl, calm, responsible and committed. Harika carries every responsibility with confidence and dedication.
I request all our dignitaries to kindly adorn their seats.
The true strength of every house lies in its unity of its members, the dedication of its leaders and the invaluable guidance of its mentors.
Steps on polished floor, future in their eyes. Every bow they hold, written in the sky.
Responsibility begins with a promise. Today, our newly invested leaders accept not only their badges of office, but also the trust and expectations of their entire school community. To share their thoughts on this memorable occasion, may we invite our head boy, Master Sheikh Akif, and head girl, Kumari J. Balita, to kindly come forward and deliver their acceptance speech.
Good morning to each and every individual present here. I am Sheikh Akif, the newly elected head boy of Gateway International High School. I think the answer is simple. What I learned today is the true definition of leadership. I learned today that leadership doesn't come from batches. Leadership doesn't come from the sachet which is given. Leadership doesn't come from the title which is given to us. It comes from the character we have. It comes from within us. Every human being is a leader. Leadership is inherently into us. And once the greatest philosopher of all time, the Osho, the Socrates. They said, great leaders doesn't create great followers. They create more great leaders. I repeat, they create more great leaders. Leadership is not about standing above others. It's about standing with them. Leadership is not about controlling other people. It's about awakening their minds, motivating and making the other believe that yes, you can do this impossible task. And I think that nature has truly portrayed this in a very beautiful manner. The rivers doesn't drink its own water. The trees never eat their own fruits. The sun which you are sitting down is, it doesn't shine for itself. So does the great things exist for others, for the service of others. So leadership is knowing about others, caring about others, what people are thinking, how can you make the people believe in themselves. And I think today I'm not just accepting a badge, I'm accepting a responsibility to listen before I speak, to stay calm when everyone are panicking, and to be the voice of all the students. Make every single student feel that they are seen, heard and valued. I would like to end this speech. It's too hard, right? So I would like to end with two lines by greatest writer of poetry, which is Allama Iqbal. He said, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि तकदीर से पहले खुद खुदा बंदे से पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Thank you all.
This uniform. It is carried in our deep heart with respect and responsibility and dedication. Good afternoon everyone present here. I, Bhavita, a newly elected head girl of Gateway International High School. I sincerely thank everyone to give me this wonderful opportunity.
used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart, congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me.
A privilege for all of us to be here and kickstart our one of the finest moment, like to get start with our investiture ceremony, because that's where we get start with our like mindset, how we are going to take care of our friends and all. And definitely I think it's been there for so many years that we've been getting the student council and all, but the way how this happened this year was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. The way the campaigning and all, just the day we started our school, I think we were on top of it. We got individual nominations done, and then within a week's time we have campaigned ourselves and got the elections done. And I was part of that when I was going through that portal to nominate the students and cast my vote and all. It was seamless. I really liked the way the interface was, and the students, I could able to get to know about them and select the individuals. That entire process I really liked it, and I think within first 15 days, 2 weeks of opening of our school and all, we get to be here in terms of selecting them and going forward. So as ma'am said, every position whatever we have got, it's not a post or position, it's a responsibility that you are going to promise in front of all our students, for them and for other students, because it's very important for you as a leaders to represent our school in day-to-day activities, not only within school, but when you go out to represent our school, you are taking forward our entire legacy and representing as a school. So that's where I would look forward for all of you, not only the individuals who have got selected as a particular student council, but all the others, whatever we do as a students, when we go out we represent. So one of the things I was talking about the civic sense today, that the most important thing I think today as a country, or as a Hyderabad particularly, is having the right set of civic sense. So I think at home it begins, and next at school we need to make sure that the cleanliness of our surroundings and the way we behave with our elders or with teachers and the students and the very young kids and all, we have to make sure that how we represent and take care of things, and you have to maintain that cleanliness within the class, and the way you you connect with every individual, because there are a lot of things that you have as your friends and all, you will remember them forever, okay? And then that what it matters is, for as a